Dear students, now let us learn about Pythagorean triplets. Now look at these numbers. What numbers you can see here? Which are the numbers you see here? Yes, 3, 4 and 5. Now 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25. 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25. See here, what relationship do you observe between 9, 16 and 25? What is the relationship between 9, 16 and 25? 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square is equal to 25 is 5 square. See here, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. That is the speciality of these numbers, that is 3, 4 and 5. The sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to square of the third number. Sum of squares of two numbers is equal to square of third number. This was discovered by Pythagoras, famous mathematician Pythagoras. Therefore, the numbers 3, 4, 5 are called Pythagorean triplets. The numbers 3, 4 and 5 are called triplets because we have 3 numbers here. Tri or triple means 3. So, these are called triplets. These are called Pythagorean triplets because here sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to square of the third number. This was discovered by the famous mathematician Pythagoras. Therefore, these numbers are called Pythagorean triplets. Now, let us see one more set of Pythagorean triplets. Observe these numbers. Now, find the square of these numbers. 13 square is equal to 169, 5 square is equal to 25, 12 square is equal to 144. Now, here 25 plus 144 is equal to 169, that is 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Sum of the squares of two numbers is equal to square of the third number. These numbers are called Pythagorean triplets. 5, 12, 13 are Pythagorean triplets. Now, let us see one more set of Pythagorean triplets. 8 square is equal to 64, 10 square is equal to 100, 6 square is equal to 36. Observe here, by adding which two numbers you will get third number, that is 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. 64 means 8 square, 36 is 6 square, 100 is 10 square. Therefore, 8, 6, 10 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. Now, you understood what are Pythagorean triplets. Now, sum of the squares of all the numbers is not equal to square of a third number. For example, take number 4, 5, 6. Now, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and here 16 plus 25 is not equal to 36. Therefore, 4, 5, 6 are not Pythagorean triplets. The squares of any two numbers will not be equal to square of the third number. So, how to find the Pythagorean triplets? How to remember the Pythagorean triplets? See, here is a formula. For any natural number m greater than 1, here m is a number greater than 1, that is, you can take value of m as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can take any number greater than 1. So, for any natural number m greater than 1, we have 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. If you take m greater than 1, then 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Therefore, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplets. For any natural number m greater than 1, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet. You have to remember this much. For m greater than 1, the formula to find Pythagorean triplet is 2m. One number is 2m, another number is m square minus 1 and third number is m square plus 1. Now, take an example. For example, m is equal to 5. Here we have to take the value of m greater than 1. Here let m is equal to 5. Then formula to find Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now, find 2m. 2m is 2 into value of m is 5. We have taken 5. So, 2 5s are 10. Now, m square minus 1. M square minus 1 is equal to m is 5. So, 5 square minus 1, that is 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. And m square plus 1, that is 5 square plus 1 is equal to 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So, 10, 24 and 26. 10, 24 and 26 are Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. 10, 24, 26 are Pythagorean triplet. You can take any value for m. Take one more example, m is equal to 9. Then formula to find Pythagorean triplet is 2m, that is 2 into m, value of m is 9 here. So, 2 into 9, that is 18. Next number of Pythagorean triplet is m square minus 1, that is 9 square minus 1, that is 81 minus 1, that is 80. And the next number is m square plus 1, that is 9 square plus 1, 81 plus 1, that is 82. Therefore, 18, 80, 18, 80 and 82 are Pythagorean triplet. So, 18, 20, 82, 18, 80, 82 are Pythagorean triplets. So, by using the formula 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet for any natural number m greater than 1. By using this formula, we can find a Pythagorean triplet. Now, let us solve problem based on Pythagorean triplet. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 8. Now, formula to find Pythagorean triplet is m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. In 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1, m square plus 1 is the largest number. So, either 2m or m square minus 1 is the smallest number. Either 2m or m square minus 1 is the smallest number. So, it is given that write a Pythagorean triplet. In this Pythagorean triplet, smallest number is 8. So, either 2m is equal to 8 or m square minus 1 is equal to 8. Now, let us write 2m is equal to 8. So, what is the value of m? M is equal to, take 2 to the right hand side, that is 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So, we got the value of m, that is 4. Now, we can find the remaining numbers of Pythagorean triplet. Remaining numbers are m square minus 1, that is value of m we got is 4. 4 square minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 is equal to 15, and m square plus 1, that is 4 square plus 1, that is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is 4, 15, not 4, value of m is 4. Pythagorean triplet is this one 8, 15 and 17. Pythagorean triplet is 8, 15 and 17. And see here, the smallest number in 8, 15 and 17 is 8. So, Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 8 is 8, 15 and 17. Now, find a Pythagorean triplet in which one number is 12. Now, formula to find Pythagorean triplet is two m square minus 1 m square plus 1. Here in this Pythagorean triplet, that is 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, one member is 12, one of the number is 12. So, let us take 2m is equal to 12, then what is m? M is equal to 12 by 2, that is m is equal to 6. We got the value of m, that is 6. Now, you can find the remaining numbers in Pythagorean triplet. 2m is equal to 12, the remaining numbers are m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Now, we have to find m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Here value of m is 6. So, m square minus 1 is equal to 6 square minus 1, that is 36 minus 1 is equal to 35, and m square plus 1 is equal to 6 square plus 1, that is 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is Pythagorean triplet is 2m, that is 12, m square minus 1, that is 35, m square plus 1, that is 37, 12, 35 and 37. Now, in Pythagorean triplet 12, 35 and 37, one member is 12. So, here one member is 12. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is 12, 35 and 37.